Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off AI mode in Google Chrome. I'll also show you how to disable AI features like these and how to stop the AI overview when you search in the search box. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Chrome browser and click on the address bar. Then type in chrome://flags and press Enter. After that, go to the search box and type AI. Now scroll down the page and you will see different options. Look for AI Mode Omnibox Entry Point. Click on the drop-down menu and set it to Disabled. Then do the same for AI Entry Point and make sure it is also set to Disabled. Next, find Omni Allow AI Mode Matches and set that to Disabled as well. After that, click on the search box again and type NTP. You also need to turn off the NTP Compose box, so set this option to Disabled too. Once you have done all of this, go ahead and relaunch your browser. This should disable most of the AI features. Now for the last part, click on the 3 vertical dots in your browser and go to Settings. From the left side, click on Search Engine. Then click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search and scroll down the page. Next to Site Search, click on Add. For the name, type Google Web. For the shortcut, type @web. In the URL section, type the required link. I'll leave this in the video description so you can copy and paste it easily. After that, click Add. Now scroll down to Google Web, click on the 3 vertical dots next to it, and select Make Default. This will set it as your default search engine. Once done, open a new tab. Type anything in the address bar and press Enter. Now you will not see AI results, and you will only get a list of normal websites instead.